I think the whole paradigm is shifting with the rise of new technology, especially with the technology you mentioned, deepfakes, AI, voice bots. Awareness, new kind of awareness is required to be spread among users.
We have Mr. Nilay Kothari with us, the head of IT for Lane Dane Club. And so my first question to you is, so only 64% of CISOs now feel aligned with their boards on cybersecurity,
Yeah.
down from 84% last year. Do you think this disconnect is growing?
In my opinion, the awareness is increasing. Board members are more becoming aware of the risks that cybersecurity poses, and they are working more in collaboration with CISOs. The number says otherwise, but I have a feeling that the scenario is changing rapidly, especially with the rise of AI and the issues associated to it.
Attackers are now leveraging AI for deepfake voices, realistic chatbots, and even months long fake email threads to dupe victims. So, can traditional security awareness training keep pace with these highly sophisticated scams?
I think the whole paradigm is shifting with the rise of new technology, especially with the technology you mentioned, deepfakes, AI, voice bots. Awareness, new kind of awareness is required to be spread among users. The usage of these tools, as well as the effective social engineering techniques, that is also changing. So traditional way it used to be through emails, links, etc. But now these threats have become more realistic, and it has become too difficult to trust the source.
Right.
More and more user needs to be made aware of this. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to contain this menace.
Very deep thoughts on that. So, with critical vulnerabilities emerging every week, do you rely on a VMDR platform or automation tool to prioritize and remediate vulnerabilities?
I think now all the options available needs to be tried. So we do rely on VMware platform, as well as there are security checks before deployment, automation testing as well. So essentially, we have to try all the sources available in today's world. That has become reality.